Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our French for Beginners, Lesson 15, Course 1. First, let's review the few vocabulary words we've added in the previous lesson. Ready? Le sac à dos, le lit, le sofa, le papier, la porte. Très bien, very good. Let's get to our lesson 15. Résumé de la leçon 5. Today will be a lot of vocabulary words review. Ready? La nourriture, le pain, le riz, un œuf, la viande, le porc, le poulet, du bœuf, du poisson, les légumes, la laitue, un oignon, de l'ail, un poivron, la carotte, la tomate, les fruits, la pomme, la banane, l'ananas, la fraise, des raisins, la boisson, du lait, du thé, du sucre, du miel, les couverts, the cutlery. Here, letters T et S are silent. Les couverts. Une fourchette. A fork. Une fourchette. Un couteau. A knife. Un couteau. Une cuillère. Une cuillère. Double L sounds y. Cuillère. A spoon. Une assiette. Une assiette. A plate, a dish. Un bol. Un bol, a bowl. J'aimerais. J'aimerais. Besoin de. To need something. Besoin de. Avec. Alright, let's get to our entraînement. You will need to replace féculent with any kind of grains we've just learned. Protein with any kind of proteins. Légumes with any kind of veggies. Fruits with any kind of fruits. Boisson with any kind of drinks. Édulcorant with a sweetener. Couvert with a cutlery. Ready? I will give you about a minute. You can start. How did you get through? More or less easy, right? Let's check this together. J'aimerais du riz avec un œuf et des oignons. I would like rice with an egg and onions. J'aimerais des fraises et du thé avec du sucre. I would like strawberries with some tea and sugar. J'ai besoin d'une fourchette féminine, d'un couteau masculine, d'une cuillère féminine, d'une assiette féminine, or d'un bol masculine. If you do think that you need some more practice with this lesson, please feel free to rewind. You can challenge yourself replacing the ingredients you used with other ingredients. Otherwise, let's get to our usual review. Les couverts, une fourchette, un couteau, une cuillère, une assiette, le bol, besoin de. I admit this lesson ain't one of the easiest. Anyways, you've done well. Bravo, congratulations. Au revoir et à bientôt. Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our French for Beginners lesson 16, course 1. First, let's have a short review of our previous lesson. Ready? Les couverts. Une fourchette. Un couteau. Une cuillère. Une assiette. Le bol. Besoin de. Very good. Today, we'll review the lessons 7 and 8. Résumé des leçons 7 et 8. Les animaux. Le chat. Le chien. L'oiseau. L'éléphant. Le lion. L'ours. Le cheval. Le tigre. Le taureau. La tortue. Le cochon. La vache. Le mouton. Le canard. Now, let's have a look at few verbs. Courir. Marcher. Sauter. Vite. Lentement. Haut. Haute. Silent H. Silent T if it's masculine. Haut. Haute if it's feminine. It means high. Let's have a short practice. Entraînement. Le cheval, you would then add a verb and an adverb. Le cochon, and you would do the same. Le tigre, the same. Ready? Let's try this. Let's now check together. Le cheval court vite. The horse runs fast. Court is the conjugated verb courir. Third person. Le cochon marche lentement. The pig walks slowly. Le tigre saute haut. The tiger jumps high. Very good. Let's now review exercises, action verbs. Ready? Exercice. Faire de l'exercice. Nager. Danser. Faire du vélo. Jouer. Transpirer. Now, let's review likes and dislikes. J'aime. Je n'aime pas. J'adore. Je déteste. Alright, let's get to our second practice. Entraînement. You will express your likes and dislikes. First one, you will have to add an animal. Second one, a verb. Third one, another animal. Ready? You can start. How did it go so far? Let's check this together. J'aime les éléphants. I like elephants. Je n'aime pas transpirer. I don't like to sweat. J'adore les chats. I love cats. Very good. We can now review the verbs. Ready? Verbs ending with er, et. Je, the verb would end with letter e. Tu, it would end with es. Il, elle, on would end with e. Nous would end with ons. Vous, ez. Il, elle, with a silent s, the verb would end with ent. Verbs ending with ir. Je, the verb would end with letter s or is. Tu would be the same. Il, elle, on, it would end with letter T or IT. Nous, the verb would end with ONS or deux S, ONS. Vous, EZ or deux S, EZ. Il, elle, plural, it would end with ENT or deux S, ENT. Let's try to have some short practices. The verb marcher, to walk. You will have to fill in the missing conjugated verbs. Ready? You can start. Let's have a look. Je marche. Eux. Tu marches. Il, elle, on marche. Eux. Nous marchons. Vous marchez. EZ. Il, elle marche. ENT. Very good. Next. Sauter, to jump. I will give you a few seconds. You can start. Alright, let's have a look. Je saute. Tu sautes. ES. Il, elle, on saute. E. Nous sautons. ONS. Vous sautez. Il, elle saute. Très bien, very good. Next verb. Nager. To swim. I'll give you few seconds again. You can start. Let's have a look. Je nage. E. Tu nages. ES. Il, elle, on nage. Nous nageons. E-O-N-S. Remember, letter G followed by A-U-O sounds G. If you want it sounding J, you need to add letter E in between. Vous nagez. Il, elle nage. Let's have one last verb ending with ER. Jouer. I'll give you few seconds. Alright, I'm quite sure you're getting fast. Let's check this. Je joue. Tu joues. ES. Il, elle, on joue. Nothing. Nous jouons. Vous jouez. EZ. Il, elle, plural, joue. ENT. Very good. We can now get to verbs ending with IR. Courir, to run. Again, you can start. Ready? Je cours. Tu cours. Il, elle, on court. Nous courons. ONS. Vous courez. EZ. Il, elle court. ENT. Alright? Our next verb ends with RE. Re. Faire, to do. This one is irregular. Be very careful. I'll give you few seconds again. You can start. Ready? Let's correct this together. Je fais. Silent S. Tu fais. Silent S. Il, elle, on fait. Silent T. Nous faisons. ONS. Vous faites. This one is irregular. Ils, elles font. Very good. We can get now to our usual short review of the day. Quite short. Only one word. Haut or haute, which means high. For more practice, I will let you rewind. Otherwise, You've done well. Bravo. Congratulations. Au revoir.